Isn't it time to get outdoors? The gym is a great place to stay fit during the colder seasons, but once the temperature turns warmer you want to spend more time outside. Plus, you'll have the benefit of fresh wholesome produce to enjoy by growing vegetables in your backyard garden. Does this sound like your situation? You sit for hours at desk and work. The hum of the overhead lights is a constant reminder you never go outdoors. Often you skip workouts because you want to spend the time with your family. Everyone in the family is overweight. You worry about declining health and are on edge and anxious. You know exercise would help, but you just don't have the energy or motivation. Does it seem as if you're destined to live constantly indoors breathing recycled air under artificial lights? Why not combine fitness and gardening to accomplish your healthy lifestyle goals? Gardening for Fitness and Fun description. Just starting out with a garden and finding it tough going. This handy book will help you prepare your body for the rigors of gardening. With a few simple exercises and some easy tips, you'll find gardening more fun. Working in the garden provides a well-rounded workout. Think about all you accomplish with the workout in the garden. Gardening tasks improve your endurance, flexibility and strength. The food you grow is fresh, providing wholesome nutrition for the family. Your family learns the process of planting, nurturing and harvesting the food they eat. A 30-minute garden workout burns more calories than 30 minutes running. Everyone enjoys the satisfaction of participating in a project from start to finish. This report guides you to making a lifestyle change with benefits to your mind and body. Our sedentary lifestyle also leads to obesity and disorders provoked by all that accompanies being overweight and having a poor diet. Diabetes, high blood pressure, cardio problems, depression.